You feel a powerful sneeze building while pinching your nose shut. Most people think stopping it will just make it disappear harmlessly. But pressure from the sneeze has nowhere safe to escape. Air force redirects inward toward your sinuses and inner ears. This sudden pressure can strain delicate ear and nasal tissues. In extreme cases, tiny structures inside ears may get damaged. Your throat and chest also absorb part of that force. Blood vessels in your eyes or nose could even burst. Instead, let the sneeze out safely into a tissue or elbow. Your body designed sneezing to release pressure, not trap it.